Hi, thanks for joining us. Once again, we're Eco Cleaning Pro, and today it's all about scraping floors during post-construction cleaning. So, what you're seeing us is what we're using is the scraper. This scraper is actually designed for scraping glass, but it does a very good job on the floor also. So we use it to scrape the floor. So what you're looking at right now that we are scraping is, I think it's glue that the contractors left on the floor. So it took us some time. So we scrape it. So when you're scraping stuff like this, you just got to be very careful that you don't damage the floor. So using the glass scraper is one way, is one of the best ways to scrape the floor with hard substances as this glue that we're looking at. So just a little demonstration on, using the glass cleaner for the floor, glass scraper to scrape stuff on the floor before you mop it, especially for post-construction and those type of professional cleaning jobs. Enjoy the rest of it. We hope you guys enjoy our videos. We definitely appreciate all the feedbacks, all the advice, all the tips you guys give us to make us get our videos to have more viewers. We definitely appreciate that very, very much. And please enjoy this. Leave us a comment, share, like, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So this is how the floor looks after it has been scraped, and we went ahead and started mopping it, as you can see. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.